This over here is Nikki and Nikki's fire truck, the driven one, and you can see the number plate. It's driven. Okay, so step number one, you have to check, this is if you want to squirt the water, that the thing at the bottom is closed, and you do that by pulling this lever up, right? Step number two, we're going to pour the water. Nikki, would you like to pour the water? Pour the water in the hole. Alright, now we've got water to squirt. Super. And Nikki's being very careful not to overflow. Wow. Okay, close it up. Step number three is we have to pump this handle over here. At the beginning you have to pump it quite a bit to get it going.
And it has to be over there.
And we're going to try and put out the flame. But let's just get the pump going first, Nikki. Show your pump just to get it going.
Wait. Put the fire.
You want me to put the fire on? Okay, I think we should get the pump going first.
Why?
Well, I just want to make sure the water's actually coming. Okay, pump. Tell me when the water's pumping. Ah, there we go. There the water's going. Okay. Right. Can you point it? I think you might need to move it closer. No, don't tell me this thing's run out. Okay, this thing's not working, so we're going to do a Lego one instead.
I want to show you. Try again. Try again. Try again. It works.
Okay, let's just pretend.
Please. We need the lights.
Okay.
Just try. What's all? That's a lit. It's lit.
Yeah, the wind keeps blowing it out. Okay, you know what I'm... There. Well, Nikki, I think just start spraying and I'll... There. There. Okay. Put it out the fire, Nikki. Try and... You'll have to go closer.
Hey, the one blew down.
Okay. Nikki, can you go closer with your fire engine?
Wait a minute. It's not lit.
Yeah, go closer. Oh, no, we're going to do it. Why don't you just... Oh, come on. There, Nikki, blow. Spray it.
I'm getting the light away. I got me sprayed.
Yay! Nikki's spraying the fire out. Yay, you did it. Well done, Nikki. You put out a fire.